Hello, my name is John D. from Carl's Buick GMC. Just want to shoot you a real quick video of our 2015 GMC Savannah van. Take a good look here on the inside. It does have the bulkhead. Nice mat. Wood straps on the side to keep the side dents down. Tires are in good shape. Bumper. Nice LED lights up there. Let's good look down the side. This vehicle does come equipped with power locks, power windows, tow haul mode, 110 outlet, cruise control, AM, FM, automatic lights, and only 12,425 miles. Still a lot of bumper to bumper and powertrain warranty. Let me know how I can help you out. 772-287-2424. Thank you. Hi, this is John D. from Carl's Buick GMC. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Please feel free to give me a call, email, or even text me with any questions you may have. And when you come in, please ask for me, John D. Thank you.